In this video, I'm going to show you how to program an universal remote to your garage door. In this case, it is a LiftMaster, and these remotes are super popular. You can find them in Home Depot, Lowe's, or any other store. This is the most common one. Okay, what we're going to do first is you're going to locate your learn button. In this case, it is right here on the back side of my motor. And also, as you can see, there's like a little LED on the side. You're going to click it once, and you're going to check what color it is. In this case, it is orange. So now that we know the color of our LED, you're going to open your remote. You're going to find this little chart. This is going to tell you how many times you need to click your remote to program it. In this case, the color of the LED on the motor, it is orange. So I'm going to click 2 times and then it will program. Okay, so now the second step is you're going to grab your remote. As you can see, it is not programmed. Remove the little cover and you're going to find this little button right here. We're going to press and hold until we see the little LED turn on. And also we're going to press the learn button. The first step, press and hold. Now it turned on, and now press 1 time your learn button until it turns on. So now select your button that you want to program. I'm going to program this one. 1, and pay attention to any clicks on your motor, any sound. Did you hear that? That means that this one, it is already programmed. So now the last step is click 1 more time, and this should be working now. Perfect. And also, if you want to program a second remote, this is what you're going to do. You're going to do exactly the same. Again, remove the little cover, press and hold your button. It turns on. Now, again, press 1 more time until it turns on, and then try to listen. Did you hear that? Okay, now click this 1 more time, and this should be programmed. Perfect. And that's it. That's all that you need to do. Now you have your 2 new remotes programmed, super easy in a few seconds, and you don't need to pay those extra fees to call a garage company to do it for you. If you like this video, click the like button, don't forget to subscribe and share.